Hello everybody. Today I'm going to explain how GDP works. Now, GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product, and it is in essence a measurement used by economists to see economic activity for a nation. Now there's a specific formula to how this is measured, and we're going to go over it today. The first variable, the C, stands for consumption. Every time a transaction is made, like a car being sold, a pen, or even a service being sold, like running training or something in that nature, that is recorded in GDP as part of consumption. Buying things is good for the economy. Secondly, we have investments. This can be actions of the nature such as buying a bond or investing within the company. This is just the financial aspect. We also have the G. Now the G in the equation stands for government spending. This is all the money shelled out by the government on different things. Salaries, infrastructure projects, everything. So it can be actions of the nature such as a government employed worker building a road, but it could even be just somebody employed in the government that does nothing. For the formula to work, it's important to count every type of government spending as part of GDP, but that's the nature of the formula. Now the last part is delta net export. Now don't be afraid of the delta. The delta only means difference in mathematical language. And what this means, this last part, is the difference between export and import in the economy. So, if we, for example, sell a car to the United States, that is a positive for the net export. If we import corn from Ukraine, then that is a negative effect on the net export. And if a country imports more than it exports, then this will be a negative factor in the GDP calculation. But if a country, on the other hand, exports more than it imports, then this term will effectively be positive for GDP. This has been GDP Simply Explained. Thank you very much for listening.